I don't know, man. I was banging 7-gram rocks and finishing them because that's how I roll. I have one speed, I have one gear. Go.
My, oh my, turn around and see that sign flashing at you like a light. Think about it more than twice, because it's high time, say bye-bye. We can't keep going on like that. And when you turn it down, then you'll finally hear that sound. We break down, then we break through, 'cause we can't touch the sky, but sometimes we can get a little closer if we let go, stop trying to rule the world. It's like the first time we felt like we could fly. We could fly. Been through the fire, we made it out alive. We're alive. So now we try, earning things you cannot buy. No matter how you roll the die, the thirst could not be satisfied. And when you find out the hideout is taking you down, it's just a fantasy. Step towards a love that's free, send us into ecstasy. We break down, then we break through, 'cause we can't touch the sky, but sometimes we can get a little closer if we let go, stop trying to rule the world. It's like the first time we felt like we could fly. We could fly. Been through the fire, we made it out alive. We're alive.
Hey, I don't know if you're in town or not, but you're probably crashing your helicopter over, what?
Wow. And then what? What's the cure? Medicine? Make me like them? Not gonna happen. I'm by winning.